If you still can't do a single pull-up, listen carefully. It's not because you're weak, it's not because you're heavy, and it's definitely not because pull-ups aren't for you. You're failing because you're training them wrong. Let me fix that. You grab the bar, you hang there, you pull with everything you've got. Nothing happens. Maybe you kip, maybe you swing, maybe you just let go and pretend you were just warming up. Been there. And no, doing more random pull-up attempts every workout is not the answer. Here's the biggest lie about pull-ups. Just keep trying and one day it'll happen. That's like trying to bench press your max every day and hoping strength magically appears. Pull-ups aren't about effort, they're about progression. And once you understand that, your first rep is inevitable. A pull-up is just 3 things: grip strength, back strength, control through the full range. If one of those is missing, the rep dies. So instead of guessing, we train all 3 step by step. Step 1. Dead hangs, days 1 through 30. If you can't hang, you can't pull. Every day, 3 sets of 20 to 40 seconds. Active hang if possible, shoulders slightly engaged. This builds grip, shoulder stability, and confidence on the bar. No hang, no pull-up. Step 2. Scapular pulls. This is where most people skip and fail. From a dead hang, pull your shoulders down and back. Your arms stay straight. Chest rises slightly. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. This teaches your body how to start the pull-up. Step 3. Negatives. This is the secret weapon. Jump or step to the top position. Chin over the bar. Then lower yourself slowly. Aim for 5 to 10 seconds per rep. 3 to 5 sets. Your muscles get stronger faster on the way down. Use that. Use resistance bands or a chair under your feet. But here's the rule. Use as little assistance as possible. 3 to 4 sets of 5 to 8 clean reps. Full range, no swinging, no ego. Each week, reduce assistance. Strength comes from training, not wishing. Somewhere around week 3 or 4, you'll grab the bar, pull, and suddenly your chin clears it. No swing, no cheat. Just strength. Your first pull-up isn't a talent test, it's a process. Train the hang. Train the start. Train the negative. Do this for 30 days, and that bar won't win anymore.